How to unmatch a transaction or undo an accepted transaction in QuickBooks. While matching bank transactions to your QuickBooks transactions, sometimes transactions get wrongly matched, or there may be cases where incorrect transactions are added manually. In such cases, you will have to unmatch these. In this video, you will learn how to unmatch a transaction, how to undo an accepted transaction. Let's get started. A transaction can be unmatched either from the banking page or from the chart of accounts. Let us see how we can unmatch a transaction from the banking page. Please note that QuickBooks recommends this approach. QuickBooks allows you to unmatch transactions individually or in bulk. Let us first unmatch a single transaction. On the home page, click Banking from the left navigation bar. Then select Banking. Choose the bank account which was used for that transaction. A list of all the transactions to be added gets displayed. Click the In QuickBooks tab. You will see a list of all added or matched transactions. Finding the transaction that needs to be unmatched can become a tedious task if there are a lot of matched transactions. You can apply filters or sort the transactions by amount, date or description. For the transaction that has to be unmatched, click Undo on the far right under Action. Similarly, you can undo the addition of a transaction which doesn't have any matching transaction in QuickBooks by clicking Undo against that transaction. What if you have to unmatch multiple transactions that have been wrongly matched? QuickBooks allows you to unmatch multiple transactions in one go. To do this, tick the checkboxes next to the transactions that need to be unmatched. Select the Undo button at the top to unmatch all the selected transactions. Let us also see how we can unmatch a transaction from the chart of accounts. Click the gear icon at the top right, then click Chart of Accounts under Settings. You will see the Chart of Accounts page listing all the accounts. Find the account that has the transaction that needs to be unmatched. Select Account History or Run Report from the drop-down list as applicable. Click the transaction to be unmatched from the list of transactions. The corresponding transaction page opens. Since you are trying to unmatch an expense here, you will see the expense page. At the top of the transaction, click the Online Banking Matches link. Click Unmatch on the pop-up window. Once the transaction is unmatched, it will be listed under for review on the banking page. This transaction can be added or matched again if required. This is how we unmatch a bank transaction. Sign in to QuickBooks and connect your bank account to keep a track of your transactions.